Hey everybody, today's project, I'm going to replace this doorknob here for little hands, and if you're carrying things, sometimes this style isn't the best for opening the door. So going to put this one on instead. We'll replace it. We'll see. We may get lucky. I can't remember what brand was originally on here, so it might just be this piece that we have to replace. But once I pull this off, we'll know that. So grab the Phillips screwdriver. And I don't use a drill driver on this because these screws are usually pretty soft and you can strip them out without even trying. And it's only two. One out. Well, that one's hard to see. And the faceplate moved a little bit on this one. So getting on the screw is kind of interesting. There we go. Get my light situated. Alright, so got this off, got both screws out. Slide this side out. There is a little wear on it. I noticed that when the boy was opening the door, if he didn't twist it all the way, so there is a little wear mark there, and I don't know if that, and on both sides, so I'm not sure that that was causing that or if he just wasn't turning it far enough. Let's see how this one compares. They're pretty much the same setup. And you know, there's different, this can be different lengths. So if you needed for a wider door, you push that down on both sides and pull it out. There you go, then it's longer. And yeah, so that matches up with the one that's already in there. I'll save this for later in case, you know, I need a replacement at some point. And we'll put the far side one in. Maybe. Okay, got that one in, and it will hold there a little bit. If you bump it, it could fall off though, so when you're switching these around, be careful. And I'll get my new screws ready to go here. or bolts. I will always replace the bolts because, like I said, they round off pretty easy because they're soft metal. Hold the back when you're pushing this one in. There we go. Sometimes you may have to pull it back out to line these up in the actual hole. Get this one started, then I'll start the other one. Okay, that one started. Get the second one here. Wants to go to its home. Get the light where I can actually see what's going on. And then I might use the screwdriver to get it in the right spot. Or my fingers. I want to get it screwed in there just a little more. There we go. Finally found an angle where I could get my fingers where I wanted them. Okay, so they're both started. Get it in there farther. Again, I don't use the drill here, so I don't round off the heads of the screws. They're not the shortest screws in the world, so it does take a minute. Alright, the front one's pretty snug. This back one the rest of the way. And the nice thing about these they're lever handles, is then you can get it out of the way and get a straight shot at that bolt. Whereas with the round knobs, you can't. There we go, she's good and tight. Perfect. Works good. Now there is another piece that comes with your set that you don't want to lose, because if you need to switch if you put the lock on the other side, or you needed to switch the handle around because it wasn't working the right way for you, you insert this here, and then the handle would be on the opposite side. So there's today's project. Hope you enjoyed it, and take care. Don't forget to subscribe.